It's the heart of every home, but since buying their house, Stephen and Ruth had dreamed of transforming it into something a little more functional.
Really, I was just very frustrated after the last 8 years of living in a really beautiful, spacious house, but with a teeny tiny kitchen. And it was always really difficult whenever we were trying to get anything done, whether it was unpacking the dishwasher or cooking or loading groceries or whatever it was. It just was not a functional space. I guess I probably didn't have strong ideas about what it should look like, which is why I loved the idea of going down to the Kitchen Connection showroom, because I was a little bit clueless. It's been 9 years now, so I think it's time for a change.
Unsure of how to improve the layout or what design elements will make the room more practical, they make an appointment with Kitchen Connection and start the process of designing the kitchen of their dreams.
The Kitchen Connection showrooms are absolutely state of the art. They're big, they've got multiple displays of many different styles of kitchens. Everything is on display for customers to experience, touch and feel and try out themselves.
Today.
That's good. What brings you in today?
So I don't really know what I want. I'm a bit overwhelmed by it all. I'm in your hands.
Oh, well, that's great. Well,
Okay.
Let's go this way.
This is Alpine Mist. This is one of our most popular bench tops.
Julie guides Stephen and Ruth through the vast display of options, helping narrow down the finishes that appeal to their personal style.
When our customers come through the doors to a Kitchen Connection showroom, we just move around and show them all the different finishes, materials, accessories, appliances, sink and taps, everything that they might need for their new kitchen renovation.
This is called our linear door. It's very symmetrical, and that's what I love about it. And you've got your beautiful drawers that are soft closing. So this is our board. Are you looking for something in the more darker sort of colour?
This one, depending on which goes with.
Right, well, let's get both of those out and have a look.
It kind of looks like that.
Yeah. I think this one has more of the tones of this. And you were talking about glass for a splashback. What we do with the glass is we price it all up for you when the designer comes out.
When do you think we can book a design appointment?
We've got a designer this afternoon.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got someone that
We
can
don't
come
have
out
anything
to
else on,
don't have
so-
anything. It is 3 to 4 hours. You do have that amount of time for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only thing we do ask, is that you allow us enough time to do what we have to do.